There is nothing worse than stepping on the gas and feeling the engine rev up, but the car just barely moves, like the transmission is deciding whether or not to show up for work today. If you are experiencing slipping, erratic shifting, or the transmission seems to be hunting for the right gear, your scanner might show code P2702. This code translates to Transmission Friction Element C, Apply Time Range or Performance. I know, that sounds incredibly vague. Basically, inside your automatic transmission, there are various clutch packs and bands that hold and release gears. The computer labels these elements with letters, and in this case, element C is not engaging as quickly or effectively as the computer expects. While this can signal internal mechanical failure, do not panic yet, because the cause is often much simpler. The very first thing you must do before touching a single bolt is check your automatic transmission fluid, or ATF. Pull the dipstick. Is the level low? Is the fluid dirty or smelling like burnt toast? Fluid that is low or broken down cannot apply the hydraulic pressure needed to squeeze that friction element, causing the slip. If the fluid looks like a strawberry milkshake, you have water intrusion, which is a major rebuild scenario. But here's a pro tip that many people miss. Check your tires. Seriously, if you recently replaced just one tire, or if one tire is severely underinflated compared to the others, it changes the rotational speed of that wheel. The computer sees this speed difference and thinks the transmission is slipping, triggering this code. Verify all 4 tires are the same size and pressure. If the fluid is clean and full and the tires are good, you are looking at electrical or mechanical issues. Check the main harness connector on the transmission. These can vibrate loose or get soaked in fluid, causing bad connections. If the wiring is solid, the problem is likely inside the pan, potentially a sticky solenoid or a worn-out clutch pack. At that stage, unless you're comfortable dropping the valve body, it might be time to visit a transmission specialist. But always start with the fluid and tires, because they solve this problem more often than you would think.